Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Harrison M450 lathe. It has an 18-inch swing. It's 42 inches between centers. It weighs 3,500 pounds. It has a 10 horsepower 3-phase 230 volt motor. The spindle is camlock. It has a 2.5 inch hole through the headstock. It's got a 2-axis digital readout. It is a gearhead. Just change the speeds by moving these two levers here. Different thread pitches. I have a 3-jaw self-centering adjust true chuck with reversible top jaws. A 400 series tool post, quick change tool post with one holder. Thread dial. Tailstock has a Morse taper number 5. So when we start the motor, it'll pump oil up to the gearbox. Reverse. Forward. That was 63 RPM. This will be 250. Cross feed. Longitudinal feed. Efforts. This will be 1,000 RPM. Thanks for looking.